What I do, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a graphic designer and a tutorial creator, but today I'm going to be giving you guys a free live streaming template pack. This is going to be filled with screens, different overlays, and buttons that are all going to make your streams look amazing. This will work on Kick, YouTube, Twitch.tv, and you can use it on OBS or pretty much any streaming software. Everything is going to be customizable. You can change the colors, you can change the layout, you can change the text, and you can even change the actual overlay if you're playing a different video game one day, or you have certain things on the screen and the overlays interfering with it. You can move every single part of this, right? It's fully customizable and you don't need Adobe Illustrator. This is an SVG that you can edit inside of Kittl, and at the end of the video you're going to see how I use Photoshop to illuminate and give it a psychedelic, drippy, trippy effect, which is just going to bring your stream to life, because you want your streams to absolutely bust. They need to be animated, they need to be illuminated, they need to really stand out, and obviously this is kind of geared towards the gaming aesthetic. That's what most live stream artwork is like. Even if you're not playing a video game, it kind of tends to have that RGB gaming keyboard look to it. So once you're inside of Kittl, you're going to be able to customize every little bit, change the shapes. You can make it sharp edges or circular. You can put your own text on it. And if you want to take it to that next step, you can see towards the end of the video how I did that final psychedelic look inside of Photoshop. So go into the description, grab that, drop a like on the video, comment and let me know if you're using this streaming pack, and I will come and watch a bit of your stream and see how it looks. So yeah, definitely do that, guys, and let me know if this has helped. Anyway, you're now going to see in Kittl how I developed the overlays, the buttons, and the screens. It all starts out with a simple shape. I often left it as a bold shape. In some cases, I just used an outline. I then played with the curves and the sharp edges and moved things around until it started looking sick, right? It's a bit of trial and error, but I've made some things that I really loved. And once I was perfectly happy with all of my different overlay ideas, some are sharp angles and look like they're maybe made for a Call of Duty streamer. Some of them are softer, more playful, you know, with curvy edges. That might be like a Pokemon streamer or something like that. I've created an overlay for every single aesthetic and every single vibe. So there should be something for you. Once I was happy with the basic layout of the SVG inside of Kittl, I decided to drag it into Photoshop, which you're going to see soon, and you'll be able to watch a time lapse of how I gave it an illuminated psychedelic aesthetic so that it really pops out on your stream. If you guys need any help setting this up, or perhaps you want it to be animated so that the colors change, hit me up, and this is definitely a project that I'm willing to help you with. Equally, if you want to start from scratch as a client and have me make you a completely personalized, unique overlay that isn't on the internet, then I can do that as well. Just send me a DM or drop me an email and we'll get to business. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and happy streaming. This has been Griffin GFX, and until next time, I'm out. Bye bye.